students, welcome to my channel. Find divergence f and curl f where f is equal to grade of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. F is equal to grade x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. First we take the term, this term as pi. Pi is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. First we have to find grade pi. Grade pi is equal to del pi. Del pi means I dou by dou x plus j vector dou by dou y plus k vector dou by dou z. First differentiate pi with respect to x. Differentiate pi with respect to x. Pi is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz dou pi by dou x. Dou pi by dou x. With respect to x cube differentiation 3x square. y0, z0. Here x1, 3yz. Next dou pi by dou y. With respect to y, x term 0, y differentiation 3y square. Here z0, y1 minus 3xz. Next dou pi by dou z. With respect to z, 0, 0, 3z square. Z1 minus 3xy. Substitute I into dou pi by dou x. I vector into dou pi by dou x. 3x square minus 3yz plus j vector into dou pi by dou y. 3y square minus 3xz. Next k vector into 3z square minus 3xy. This del pi. Next find divergence f. Divergence f vector is equal to del dot f vector. F vector is equal to this term, del pi. F vector is equal to del pi is equal to this term. Now we have to find divergence f. Del dot f. Del dot f means I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. Del vector dot f vector I 3x square minus 3yz plus j vector 3yz minus 3xz. 3y square minus 3xz plus k vector 3z square minus 3xy. Del dot f vector is equal to dou by dou x into 3x square minus 3yz plus dou by dou y of 3y square minus 3xz plus dou by dou z 3z square minus 3xy. First differentiate with respect to x. 3 into 2x, 6x. Here no x term 0. Plus with respect to y, 3 into 2y, 6y. Here no y term 0. Z 3 into 2z, 6z. Here no z term, so 0. So answer del dot f vector is equal to 6x plus 6y plus 6z. Next, curl effector. Curl effector means del cross effector. Del cross effector. Del cross effector. I vector, j vector, k vector. Del I coefficient dou by dou x, j coefficient dou by dou y, k coefficient dou by dou z. Effector effector 3x square, I coefficient 3x square minus 3yz. J coefficient 3y square minus 3xz. Z coefficient 3z square minus 3xy. 3xy. First, close the first column. Write the remaining terms. Dou by dou y, dou by dou z. 3y square minus 3xz. 3z square minus 3xy. The first term closed. I vector closed. I vector determinant of this. Next, minus j vector. Close the second column. Write the remaining terms. Dou by dou x, dou by dou z. Dou by dou x, I coefficient 3x square minus 3yz. Here 3z square minus 3xy plus k vector. Close third column. Dou by dou x in dou by dou y. Dou by dou y 3x square minus 3yz. 3x square minus 3yz. 3y square minus 3xz. Minus 3xz. By simplifying, first determinant this cross. Dou by dou y, I vector into dou by dou y into this term. Dou by dou y into 3z square minus 3xy. 3z square minus 3xy minus this term. Minus dou by dou z into 3y square minus 3xz. Minus 3xz. I vector minus j vector. First multiply, that is diagonal. Dou by dou x into 3z square minus 3xy. 3z square minus 3xy minus this term. Minus dou by dou z into 3x square minus 3yz. 3yz. Next, k vector plus k vector. K vector multiply this dou by dou x into 3y square minus 3xz. Minus 3xz minus this term. Dou by dou y into 3x square minus 3yz. 3x square minus 3yz. I vector, first differentiate with respect to y. Here no y term 0, y1 minus 3x. Minus 3x. Minus 3x. With respect to z, no z term 0, z1 minus 3x. Here minus 3x, z1 minus 3x. Minus into minus plus 3x. Next, minus j vector. Minus j vector with respect to x. No x term 0, x1 minus 3y. Minus 3y. Here with respect to z, no z term 0, z1 minus 3y. Minus 3y. Minus into minus plus 3y. Plus 3y. Plus k vector with respect to x. 0, no item, 0, 3y square 0, x1 minus 3z, minus 3z. Here with respect to y, 0, no item, 0, y1 minus 3z, minus into minus plus 3z, plus 3z. So equal to cancel, 0, cancel, cancel, all terms 0, 0, so 0. Show that f vector is equal to y z I vector plus zx j vector plus xy k vector is irrotational. Irrotation means del cross f is equal to 0. Curl f vector equal to del cross f equal to 0. Del cross f equal to 0. I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. F vector y z, I coefficient y z, j coefficient zx, k coefficient xy. By expanding, first close the first column, I vector dou by dou y dou by dou z, dou by dou y dou by dou z, zx xy, zx xy plus minus j vector. Second column, close the second column, dou by dou x dou by dou z, dou by dou x dou by dou z, yz xy, yz xy. Next third column, close the third column, k vector, dou by dou x dou by dou y, dou by dou x dou by dou y, yz zx, yz zx. Simplifying, I vector dou by dou y into xy, dou by dou y into xy minus dou by dou z into zx, dou by dou z into zx. Next minus j vector, dou by dou x into xy, dou by dou x into xy minus dou by dou z into yz, minus dou by dou z into yz plus k vector, dou by dou x into zx, dou by dou x into zx, minus dou by dou y into yz, I into dou by dou y into xy with respect to y, differentiate with respect to y, y1 x remaining x with respect to z, z1 remaining x minus j vector with respect to x, x1 remaining y with respect to x, x1 y with respect to z, z1 remaining y plus k vector with respect to x, x1 remaining z with respect to y, y1 remaining z. All terms are 0, equal to 0. So del cross f is equal to 0. Del cross f is 0 is irrotational. Prove that the vector f vector is equal to x plus 3y into I vector plus y minus 3z into j vector plus x minus 2z into k vector is solenoidal. Solenoidal means del dot f is equal to 0 or divergence f is equal to 0. Divergence f is equal to 0. Del I dou by dou x plus I vector dou by dou x, j vector into dou by dou y plus k vector into dou by dou z. del dot f vector x plus 3y, x plus 3y into I vector plus y minus 3z into j vector plus x minus 2z, x minus 2z into k vector. Dot product I dot I 1 multiply dou by dou x into x plus 3y plus j dot j 1 dou by dou y into y minus 3z plus k dot k 1 dou by dou z into x minus 2z, x minus 2z, x minus 2z. Differentiate partially with respect to x. With respect to x, this term differentiate s with respect to x. x1 y term 0 to 1. With respect to y, y1 z0 1. With respect to z, x0 z1 minus 2 equal to 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Del dot f is equal to 0. Divergence equal to 0 is solenoidal. Thank you.